Found something out I never knew, and that's fish will eat chicken. Yes, sir. Yeah, bruh. Lead mile people. Oh, hey, doggy. We're gonna check out Belmont Shore, 2nd Street. Shaka for you. Excuse me, fellas. Yep. Horny corner. Let the fire trucks roll. There she is, the new bike. It's a 2021. Thing's got less than 200 miles on it. It was just sitting in my cousin's garage and I nabbed it. Oh, it's a SWM RS300R, kind of rare bike. Bialbero. Super cool. You've seen the FJR, you've seen the Softail. Now Shakamoto's gonna be ripping around on an SWM. Maybe we can find some dirt or something, huh? That'd be dope. All right, let's roll. Zipper check. Yes, sir. Yeah, bruh. It's fun. A lot of fun. Let the fire trucks roll. Shaka for you. The Bialbera. So we're out on the SWM, the brand new SWM, 213 miles on this bad boy. So I guess we're not supposed to get all crazy till it hits 500. I ain't really getting that crazy anyways. I was watching one of the guys, I think it's Brian636. He got that new 900. Bro, this guy, first thing he did was wheelie it straight off the factory floor. Psycho, bro. I don't know if that's cool though. Shaka to you, bro. I mean, it might be okay. I'm cool with it. Either way, he's got like 19 bikes. These knobbies are funny on the street. Yeah, funny. I think if I get another bike, it'll be that Kawasaki SX 1000s. So this is a nice little cruise. So today we're going to do another little pier run. We're going to check out Belmont Shore, 2nd Street. Feel better, like the I-Ties say. This is a beautiful run. Right through Long Beach. Check out this little e-bike. Those things stab out. Man, that kid's not just keeping up with traffic, he's kind of beating it. Doop-a-doop-doop-doop-doop-doop. So before we hit, this is another bicycling brother. Before we hit 2nd Street, let's hit Mother's Beach. This is a good little beach to bring your kiddos if they're smaller or you want to paddleboard around. There's no waves, it's inside the super cool. Right across the beach, they call that the Horny Corner. Yep, Horny Corner. Great little spot. Come and chill. Good spot to eat right there, Naples Rib Company, can't beat it. And here we are on 2nd Street. Nightlife in 2nd Street is nuts. Have a lot of fun. Don't get caught skateboarding out here. They will take your skateboard away and give you a ticket. I got sand in my shoe. And then if you paddleboard, you're going to end up going right under this bridge here. Don't jump off the bridge. You got to know the water, definitely. I believe we've jumped off a bridge or two here, but you got to do it at high tide. Be safe. Let my people. Oh, hey, doggy. Thank you. Shaka, thank you. Oh, Shaka to you too. Thank you. Not cool. No Shaka for you. Of course, I was kind of scooting there. Man, he almost killed me. Run by fruit. And sometimes you guys got to think about it. Like, I was stabbing out. She wasn't paying attention to some motorcycle. Even though I wasn't doing a bazillion, this thing can't do a bazillion. So you're at the mercy of somebody paying attention. Nobody's thinking about a motorcycle when they're cruising. Just chilling, looking at the sights. We're looking at the sights. Just remember, when you come out here and you ain't on a motorcycle, parking sucks. Part of the reason why having a bike is dope. I park on the sidewalk. Every once in a while, people give me warnings. Look at this chop.
Wow.
That thing is cool. I know you guys can't smell it, but man, there's some barbecue going on right now. That was for the barbecue. Some BBQ. At some point, I'm gonna get the sand out of my shoe. Beautiful weather today. And there's the pier. You can fish off the pier. They have the breakers here in Long Beach, so there's no surf. Very rare occurrence. Giant swells got to make it over those breakers. And then it brings surf in. Great little spot to come and eat, come and kick back. A lot of fishing out here on the pier. Super cool. Another spot, 4th of July goes nuts. Got a giant fireworks show. Been on a boat watching the fireworks show before on my buddy's boat. And I found something out I never knew. And that's fish will eat chicken. Because my wife gets seasick like you wouldn't believe. And as soon as she chummed that water with the chicken we had, the Thai chicken nonetheless, it was spicy. She chummed that water, those fish were biting. They loved it. I wonder if it's the first time, some of them, it's got to be the first time some of them fish had Thai food. Shaka to you, bro, just for being giant. Cool little run.